And welcome back. In this final video, I want to show you what this course is all about, what we're learning in this course, and what we're going to be able to do at the end. You may have heard the term full stack developer, front-end developer, back-end developer. And looking at this diagram, you're starting to recognize that HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you see React in there. We'll get to that. Don't worry about it. But that's what a front-end developer does. The front-end developer is the person who makes sure that when we open up the browser and go to google.com that we see Google. We see it nice and pretty, laid out beautifully, has a search bar, and essentially anything that a user sees, the front-end developer does. And that is using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and a few other tools. The back-end developer, that's the person that works with the server, makes sure that when a browser speaks to it, it serves up those files, and it uses technology such as Node.js, Express.js, which we're going to get into. And then that server is going to talk also to a database. Again, we haven't really discussed that too much, but don't worry, there's going to be a section on it, and that's going to use PostgreSQL, and we're actually going to be learning that as well. So we want to build you up as a full stack developer to be able to work with all these technologies so that everything revolving around a web application you're able to build. So get excited. You're going to learn all of this. It looks overwhelming, but trust me, just like this, how the internet works section, it's all going to make sense. So I'll see you at the next one. Bye-bye.